Welcome to another analysis on BTCUSD. This is monthly time frame. As you all know, before anything, we need to know the trend of the market, and we can see that price making high highs. Price broke this high. I made another higher high. So this is another higher high that we are expecting price to come to. So we know that price is uptrend. You can see this price making higher highs, then we want price to give us a higher low here to continue the uptrend. So that's monthly time frame. We know that our price is moving to the upside, but you can still see that price is facing down because this is a retracement of this bullish move. So we are expecting price to give us a higher low before we can see this move to the upside. So we know on monthly that the trend is bullish, or we are in pullback state. So we had a breakout and push, then pullback state. This is a pullback phase. So let's go to weekly. Let me draw this level because we can see this level on monthly. Let me draw this level on monthly. This is a key level here on monthly time frame. The price is bouncing from. You can see from here. You can see the bounce here. You can see another one. You can see another one here. So the current one is trying to react to this level. So that's what we are seeing on that level. So let me delete this. So you can see reaction on that level. So this level now, we are now watching it. We're now watching it because prices are at this key level. Anything can happen at this key level. Maybe price will continue pushing down, break this below, retest and continue down, or bounce from it to the upside. So let's go to weekly. This is weekly time frame. So you can see that price making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is a lower low because this low is lower than this ones. If you check the line chart, you will see that this is a lower low. So price is still making lower low. Price is bearish here. So I can see this weekly level here. Can still spot one level here. You can see how I'm making price. How I'm making my level touching. This touch. Then I'm making this one touch this level. So this is a good key level. So this is on weekly. Let me change the level to weekly time frame. So this is weekly. So this is weekly time frame. So you can see how price did a fake out, like you want to continue buying, but price could not stay above this level to make it as supposed to bounce, but failed to stay above and did a fake out. So price just dropped immediately. We didn't test this level before dropping, because if you see a fake out like that, price need to test this level too before dropping. You see how price just drop immediately. So I'm expecting price to come back to this weekly level to test it properly before pushing down again, or maybe push it down a little and break it. So this is what I'm looking at on BTC. So let's go to weekly and see more price action very clearly. So on daily, on weekly, I was saying that I want price to come to this area, to test this area properly. You can see this kind of a confirmation, or like is my analysis going in line with this pattern that is happening here? Because after a break of a low, price needs to do a pullback, and this pullback, I can see that price is trying to make inverse head and shoulder. You can see inverse head and shoulder. Let me so this is the head, this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So right shoulder should be around here. So this is what I'm looking at. So we might see inverse head and shoulder, and inverse head and shoulder, as we all know, is a reversal pattern. So we can see this place will be the neckline. Is on daily. So this place will be the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder. So we are expecting price. Let me delete this. We are expecting price to come and do another shoulder here. So this is the neckline, and this the shoulder. So we are waiting for price to come to this level and respect it and bounce from here, give us a change of trend area to the upside, then find a way to price to break above this level, and we can take this trade to the upside, because price needs to test this area properly. Price just cleared this level and started dropping, so I need price to come to this area before dropping again or breaking above. So this chart pattern, you can see this inverse head and shoulder. You can see, if you want to see the measurement, you can measure it, the accumulation of head and shoulder. So you can see, like, price needs to come to 75k, around 75k before anything. So if we are taking this breakout, this is where we'll put our take profit. This area will be our TP. So this is what I'm looking at on BTC. So BTC still needs to come to this area before we can see a bounce or something and break the neckline. So that's when the inverse head and shoulder will be confirmed that, okay, this chart pattern has completely formed. So that's when we can trade it. But if price can respect this area and give us a change of trend, we can still take this trade from here to here, or we take it from the neckline. We will wait for a price to break out from here, like here, like so, then break out a retest here, then before taking it, or we take it from here, then break even when price move to this neckline. So after break, we had another position here to take this trade to the upside. So it depends how you are going to trade it. So let's go to 4 hour. So on 4 hour, you can see the swings that price making lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. Price is trying to come to this area to give us a second shoulder, a right shoulder of that chart pattern on daily time frame that I was showing you. So this is you can see price breaking lows. You can see lower low another low, lower high, lower low again, another low. So price is retracing back to the upside before we see more downside for this BTC. So what I'm looking at now is that let me use Fibonacci around here. So we can see 61.8 around here. 61.8 around here. So we are expecting price to bounce from here to come down, but let me just check something. I'm seeing something here. There is a trend line here. So you can see the confluence. You can see price. This is a Fibonacci level, and this is a trend line around here. You can see this level. So I can see this level. So we need price to move to the upside and bounce from here. Maybe we are going to go lower and see a change of trend to the downside to take this trade to the downside. So I'll be waiting for price around here to sell this market, to sell this BTC to the downside, to sell, to take this trade to this area. So stop loss will be at this high, and TP will be at this level. This is 1 to 5. So this is how I'll be trading the BTC. I'll be waiting for price action around here to see what price. You can see that price has been respecting this trend line. You can see price has been, you can see this 4. So you can see this 4, then you can see these ones too. So price is, I think price will come to this area before falling again. So this is what I'm seeing on BTC. So we wait for this setup to form. We won't rush things. We won't rush our entry. We wait for the BTC setup to form and give us a change of trend around that level, the confluence of the this trend line and the Fibonacci level. We wait for the price around here and see the change of trend before taking our trade. So thanks for watching my analysis, and bye for now.